Okay, here's the finished product. Just came out of the oven. I garnished it with some of the extra toasted pine nuts I had with 2 nice pans. And this little guy is going to get put in the freezer after it cools off. Hold this. I'm going to get a spoon.
Okay. Looks good.
We are going to kind of dig in here and see what this is like. There you go. Whoops.
Is it good?
Yeah. It's delicious. Yum. Okay. Bye, everybody.